you're eligible to get on the group health plan. That is your probationary period. It's intended for people who join outside of open enrollment. It doesn't have anything to do with pre-existing conditions. It's just for people that want to join in the middle of the year. Next, waiver of premium may be a provision or a rider in a disability policy, but the definition is the same as we learned for life insurance, that if the insured becomes disabled after 6 months of disability, premiums can be waived on their policy for as long as they're disabled, and they would get reimbursed the premiums they paid during that 6-month waiting period. Next, managed care plans. So remember, your HMOs, your PPOs, and your POS plans are all called managed care plans. The whole purpose behind managed care is to control their costs. So here are the characteristics. First, they have pre-authorization or prior approval requirements. Before you have a procedure done, you must check with your insurer. Are they going to cover it? And if they are, how much of it are they going to cover? These plans use the term usual, reasonable, and customary because costs differ depending on what part of the country you live in. Because what's usual, reasonable, and customary, say in San Antonio, might not be usual, reasonable, and customary in San Francisco. Okay, it depends on where you live, on how much you're going to pay for any given procedure, or if you happen to go outside of the network, how much you're going to pay. These plans use what's called concurrent review. This is where they will follow along as you progress through your treatment, make sure you're getting better, and once again, controlling their costs. They all have a controlled access of providers. You have to pick from doctors and hospitals on their list. Other measures they put in place are co-insurance and deductibles and co-payments. Those are all helping to control their cost. Now, some optional provisions. First, we have the change of occupation provision. The insurer might put this in a disability policy so that if you go from a less dangerous occupation to a more dangerous occupation, then your benefits could go down. Or if you go from a more dangerous occupation to a less dangerous occupation, your premiums would go down. The misstatement of age provision